We're headed to a cool, what looks like a construction site. It has like tractors and craps. And so we kind of just have to walk through here. We have to like cut through here. This one doesn't really have anything special in it. It's just kind of that. Oh wait, there you go.
Oh, weird.
I just thought that one was the creepiest one because of the door. Rigging. Apparently. It's rigging stuff.
Wait,
What?
Larry B.
Hey yo, it's me, your boy Larry B. Yeah, I just got an idea. You want to hear it?
What?
Take this ladder and climb up on top of those.
Alright.
Yeah, bring it down yonder.
Okay, we'll freaking move.
There's nothing I mistrust more than ladders. Oh, dude, this is sick. It's kind of bouncy. Okay, I got it. Look at this. Oh, that's good. Bruh, look at this truck. Water. It is hot.
It is. Well, we're on the ceiling.
I want to look at that tractor over there.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
I'm strong as heck.
There we go. Right back where we found it. Oh wait, this thing was leaning on it. Gotta cover our tracks. Yeah, who cares?
It's like a bird in one of the pipes. So I was just chilling and like, I was like, what the frick? And I just see a bird.
There was a construction site behind our house in Chico. They actually left the keys in the ignition. We didn't drive them around, but
I'm sure you wanted to.
yeah. We're too smart and boring.
Look at that though, that's pretty epic. Oh! Ugh, cool. This thing's roomy.
That is really awkward.
Cool. Oh,
Welcome to my crib, dog. This is where it happens. Oh, my hat. Sorry.
sorry.
Ooh, you have to get on that one on the top.
Here, give me this.
Give me you the camera.
give you me the you who is me and I am you. You know?
In fact, okay, stop stalling. Get up there, big boy.
I'm not stalling you.
Yes, you are. I can sense your fear.
I don't fear.
Yeah, I think that one was the one where the bird was just chilling.
Hey.
Nice. Trick is to bend your knees.
Yeah. Well, your knees will bend no matter what you do.
Yes.
But if you don't bend them on purpose, then it'll frickin' hurt.
Hurt like a turtle on Sunday. Dude, I'm gonna get in this one from here.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. Mom says I got cookies. Watch your step.
Oh, yeah, I could.
Well, deuces.
What?
Deuces.
Deuces?
Yeah, it's goodbye in hippie. Turn it off. I
Okay,
said
fine.
deuces, dude.
Okay.
Turn it freaking off.